The ERP5 Rank is an investment tool that analysts use to discover undervalued companies. The ERP5 looks at the price-to-book ratio, earnings yield, ROIC and 5-year average ROIC. The ERP5 of Sanyo Electric Railway Company Limited, C9052, is 9457. The lower the ERP5 rank, the more undervalued a company is thought to be. The QI value of Sanyo Electric Railway Company Limited, C9052, is 40.00000. The QI value is another helpful tool in determining if a company is undervalued or not. The QI value is calculated using the following ratios: EBITDA yield, earnings yield, FCF yield, and liquidity. The lower the QI value, the more undervalued the company is thought to be. The EBITDA yield is a great way to determine a company's profitability. This number is calculated by dividing a company's earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation and amortization by the company's enterprise value. Enterprise value is calculated by taking the market capitalization plus debt, minority interest and preferred shares, minus total cash and cash equivalents. The EBITDA yield for Sanyo Electric Railway Company Limited, C9052, is 0.078019. The earnings to price yield of Sanyo Electric Railway Company Limited, C9052, is 0.032865. This is calculated by taking the earnings per share and dividing it by the last closing share price. This is one of the most popular methods investors use to evaluate a company's financial performance. Earnings yield is calculated by taking the operating income or earnings before interest and taxes, EBIT, and dividing it by the enterprise value of the company. The earnings yield for Sanyo Electric Railway Company Limited, C9052, is 0.035144. Earnings yield helps investors measure the return on investment for a given company. Similarly, the earnings yield 5-year average is the 5-year average operating income or EBIT divided by the current enterprise value. The earnings yield 5-year average for Sanyo Electric Railway Company Limited is 0.038518. The FCF yield 5 years average is calculated by taking the 5-year average free cash flow of a company and dividing it by the current enterprise value. Enterprise value is calculated by taking the market capitalization plus debt, minority interest and preferred shares, minus total cash and cash equivalents. The average FCF of a company is determined by looking at the cash generated by operations of the company. The free cash flow yield 5-year average of Sanyo Electric Railway Company Limited, C9052, is minus 0.011826. Price index. We can now take a quick look at some historical stock price index data. Sanyo Electric Railway Company Limited, C9052, presently has a 10-month price index of 4.84439. The price index is calculated by dividing the current share price by the share price 10 months ago. A ratio over 1 indicates an increase in share price over the period. A ratio lower than 1 shows that the price has decreased over the time period. Looking at some alternate time periods, the 12-month price index is 5.31903, the 24-month is 6.08955, and the 36-month is 6.34368. Narrowing in a bit closer, the 5-month price index is 4.91537, the 3-month is 4.87329, and the 1-month is currently 4.90690. Returns. Looking at some ROIC, return on invested capital, numbers, Sanyo Electric Railway Company Limited, C9052, seconds ROIC is 0.042777. The ROIC 5-year average is 0.044631, and the ROIC quality ratio is 6.082155. ROIC is a profitability ratio that measures the return that an investment generates for those providing capital. ROIC helps show how efficient a firm is at turning capital into profits. Sanyo Electric Railway Company Limited, C9052, has a price-to-book ratio of 1.719622. This ratio is calculated by dividing the current share price by the book value per share. Investors may use price to book to display how the market portrays the value of a stock. Checking in on some other ratios, the company has a price to cash flow ratio of and a current price to earnings ratio of 30.427145. The P/E ratio is one of the most common ratios used for figuring out whether a company is overvalued or undervalued.